What you will get? If we differentiate y equals to x squared plus 2 means I will differentiate d by dx of y. Y means x squared plus 2, which is equals to
Sir, is it 2x?
2x. What will happen to this constant?
It will become
It'll become
0.
0. Now, if I change same question as y equals to x squared plus 2 the whole square using chain rule. Or 2, or let's make it is 3. Doesn't matter.
So what part of the chapter are you teaching?
We are studying mathematics, basic mathematics for physics. After this, we'll do integration. Then we'll start dimensional analysis. Are you able to solve this question, Samita?
I know, sir. I'm not understanding the question.
Easy, right?
No, so what? I'm not understanding what we're doing right now. What are we doing?
Oh, we are finding differentiation. We are doing differentiation. D by dx. X squared plus 2 the whole cube.
I didn't learn this in school.
Sir, I don't know why I'm getting 3. Is it right?
No, boy. It cannot be 3.
Yes, sir. I think I'm getting confused.
Now, see, they are asking using chain rule. So what is the chain rule? First of all, df by dx and dx by dt. So we need to separate those things. So how to do this? Instead of x, we have here something. Let's take it as u equals to x squared plus 2. So we can say y equals to u cube. Now we will differentiate du by dx. So u means d by dx as x squared plus 2. We'll differentiate this one first. And separately we'll differentiate dy by du. Means we'll differentiate d by du u cube, not square, u cube. This is separate things. So if we differentiate this one, it will be 3u square. Now here we will get same. What was the first one? 2x.
2x.
Right. Now
Yes, sir.
chain rule. What is the chain rule here? We want dy by dx. So instead of dy by dx, we have dy by du cross du by
dx.
Very good. So what we will get here? Dy by du will be
3u square by 2x into 2x.
2x. Now let's substitute u value. What was the u? We have assumed
X square plus 2.
where is this? Here, x square plus 2.
Whole square.
Yeah. X square
Plus 2 whole square.
Whole square. Whole square, yeah. Into 2x.
2x.
So I can say as 6x x square plus 2 whole square. This is your final dy by dx. Now, if they don't mention chain rule, we can do either way also. If you are getting confused with the chain rule and they didn't mention anything, just they ask you to find out. So what you do, you can assume this or expand this with the a plus b whole cube formula. Expand this a cube, b cube, 3ab and 3bc like that. A square or whatever formula you are using. Whatever form. In a plus b whole cube, we have 2-3 forms. So whatever form you are using, use it and differentiate each term. That's it. That also we can do.
Can you show that one, sir, if possible?
Sure.
Thank you, sir. The a plus b whole cube.
Yeah. So have you written this one? Everyone?
No, sir. Right.
Okay. Yeah.
There for this, when you took y is equal to u cube,
Yes.
once you did that, it still remained the same, right? So why didn't you directly just only differentiate u cube? Why did you have to do it separately for x squared plus 2 and then for 3u squared?
Because they ask using chain rule. Chain rule means they ask dy by dx. We don't have x here directly. We have in terms of power. So we have assumed one function. Let's make a function u as a x square plus 2 and y equals to u cube. Now we will separate this as a chain rule, dy by du and du by dx. So we found dy by du here and du by dx here. Then we can multiply. That is your direct chain rule. Done writing? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
This one?
Yes, done.
Okay. Now, if instead of this one, if they didn't mention chain rule, then okay, if they are mentioning chain rule showing, but see, generally it will be in mathematics only. Okay. In maths only, they will ask you to use chain rule and whatever things. In kinematics, we don't worry. We are not worrying about like what rule you are using. You can directly use it. I prefer chain rule only. It's easy, just one step answer. But here we need to elaborate. A plus, not a plus b. What is the value here? 3 x square plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
X square plus 2 the whole square. Square mein cube. It's cube. Okay. So a cube means x cube.
X to the power 6.
2 and 3 plus 2 cube plus 3 a square cube means let's take as x square 2 into x square plus 2.
Okay.
That means 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, 6. 2 and 3, 6. Plus
8.
8. And
plus 3x cubed.
6x square.
6x4. Sorry.
And x
x square plus 2.
Now differentiate this one, or let's expand. Let's join this one also. X square. Sorry.
X power 6 plus 8.
X power 6 plus 8 plus
6x to the power of 4 plus 12x square.
Yeah, 12x square. Now we need to differentiate. Instead of doing this one, this chain rule is much easier. Actually, I wrote so many steps. Actually, this won't include when we are solving. We'll directly solve this one.
Sir, can you show?
Yeah. Even one more way we can solve this question.
So we still have to differentiate it, right?
Yeah, now we have to differentiate this one.
So
So
6x to the
6x
power
squared 5 plus 0 plus 24 x to
24x.
power 3 plus 24 x to power
24x
to power 1.
1.
So this will be a final form. Now, if we do this one, expand this one, we'll get same values here. We'll get same.
Yes, sir. I got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Shanmita? Not Shanmita. Oh, it's separate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shanmita. Okay. Are you able to understand this chain rule?
No, sir. What is the chain rule? I didn't learn it. I'm trying to understand, but I'm not understanding.
Okay. Okay, so forget chain rule. Just differentiation. Have you heard of differentiation, first of all?
No, sir. I didn't hear about it.
Okay. So like differentiation means a decreasing, a quantity which is decreasing. We will study here mathematics means decreasing quantity and increasing quantity. Okay. So differentiation means decreasing quantity. We are going with higher limit to lower limit. And increasing quantity means we'll do integration. Differentiation. So as we wrote here formulas, these are some standard formulas. And like no need to go with deeper mathematics. Okay, just basic formulas and how to apply it. That's it. Because anyhow, you're going to study that separately, and derivation also will be there in your exam. So that is separate part. Let it be. So I'm just showing you required portion, because in kinematics, that time I cannot come and teach you mathematics. Dimension analysis we don't require. It's a direct formulas and all that conversion. But kinematics we require.
So what is d by dx? What is that?
So this is the formation of form of differentiation. We, if I want to say differentiate this one, so I will say like this: differentiate this function with respect to x. We are differentiating this function. Function is x to power n. We are differentiating function x to power n with respect to x. Now in this question we just now did, there was a function, but this was direct function. But we have here functions and cube. So we have to use chain rule, or either we have to expand it, or there is one more way of solving. So let it be. I'm not showing you that. It's a little bit direct method. So let it be. For now, you understand this one. So this is differentiation of this function with respect to x. Similar way, differentiation of log x function with respect to x. Now, in case instead of x, we don't have x term, we have y term, and we have differentiation of dx. Then this will be termed as constant. So differentiation of constant is 0. But if they say constant has some term as x, then we will do chain rule. While doing numerical, you will understand slowly. So for now, you just write this formulas. Make a note of these formulas. Others, till then, do one question I'll give you. I don't want you to simply wait. Try this question. Till then, I'll write here. Let her solve. Let her copy the questions. Oh, sorry, formulas, and I'll write question here.
I took a screenshot. I'll write it. I took a screenshot. They can.
Oh, you took a screenshot.
No, sir. I took a screenshot. They can continue. I'll write from my screenshot.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We can continue.
Okay. And these are like standard, like these are the formulas, functions. Okay. And these are the rules. Rules, no need to remember. It's simple rules. While solving, we will understand better. Just now, what I did, it was the first and second rule. We have combined this rule. What we did here, we just differentiated. If I expand this, dy by dx, what we did here, d by dx of x square plus 2. Now, d by dx x square plus d by dx 2. Means 2 will be front. Can you hear me? Got disconnected.
Yes.
I'm facing some internet problem. Okay. Samhita, okay. So we are doing differentiation separately. So this is combination of first and second rule. See, addition rule, we are doing differentiation separately. And constant you are bringing outside. Samhita, are you able to understand?
Try to, sir.
Kind of. Okay. Then with the first rule formula, x to power n means n into x to power n minus 1. This is what we are going to use. So we got answer as 2x. X to power n. N is 2 here. 2 minus 1, 1. And differentiation of constant is 0. So by this, we use 2-3 rules here. Let's try one question. Y equals to E 2x. Okay, I want this answer from Rahman. Come on, answer this.
Sir, is it E2x?
E2x, yes. Something still missing. Find out dy by dx. Aditya says E2x. What's your answer, Rahman? Are you with us? Yeah.
Yes, sir, but I'm not getting the answer. It's okay.
Same. Apply the formulas. Yesterday we wrote formula. Turn your page, check your formula. No need to remember formula. While using only, you will remember. What is it? Same, right? E to power x is e to power x. But we have here 2. So let's bring 2 outside. E to power 2x.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you please explain why I'm able to get that?
So this is the formula, like d by dx of e to power ax. It will be a e to power ax. It will not change. Exponential will not change. Even integration as well as differentiation. So we'll bring a outside and e to power ax will be e to power ax.
Okay, I got it, sir. Thank you.
And this formula we'll use especially in SHM. Let's try this one. I want this answer from Samhita. Samhita,
Yes, sir.
try this. Come on. I want answer in 10 seconds.
Sir, what formula should I use?
Same, x to power n. So n into x to power n minus 1. What is your n?
So can I say the answer?
1 second, let her try, please.
Sir, I'm not understanding.
Understanding? Okay, Aditi?
Is it 5x to the power 4?
Yes. So what we are doing here, x to power 5 means n is here 5. So what's the formula? X to power n means n into x to power n minus 1. So 5 into x to power 5 minus 1 is 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What about Shadab?
Yes, sir.
You got it? Same?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, the next question is for you.
Yes, sir.
Ten. Find out dy by dx.
Sir, is it minus 10 into 10 to the power of minus 11? I mean, x to the power of minus 11.
Yes, sir. Even I got the same.
X to power minus 11.
Minus
So
11.
if I want to write same manner, it is minus 10 by x to power 11. Shamita, are you able to understand?
Check it again, sir. I'm not understanding.
So what we did here? Same formula. X to power n. So here n is minus 10. Because this denominator will go up, it will become x to power minus 10. So here n is minus 10. Simple. Okay, this is an open question. Anyone can answer. Under root x. Then we can, if everyone got answer, then we can, and this differentiation will go for integration. Then we'll see.
Sir, is it minus half x to the power of minus 3 by 2?
Same answer, sir. Minus 1 by 2 times of x to the power of minus 3 by 2.
Okay. What about remaining two? Samhita, Rahman?
I got the same, sir.
Same? What about
Yes,
Samhita?
sir.
How are you doing? Samhita, shall I solve what you're doing? Samhita, are you there? No? No audio? Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to write this one in similar manner, in root manner, under root manner? How to write this one? In the given question manner. I want answer in form of question, similar to the question. Yeah? Can anyone try?
What do you mean? As in?
There would be?
Is
Sir,
it
can you repeat the
I
question?
Okay, we got answer as minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2, right? I want answer in form of question like how we have 1 by root 2, sorry, root x. I want similar way.
Sir, should is it I root 2? No, sorry.
Minus 1.
Sir, can I try? Minus
sure.
1 by 2 root 2 square root of x to the power of minus 3. Or sorry, yeah, x to the power minus 3.
X to 2 root square root of minus 3.
Yes,
you made
x,
me confused. How do you say it?
x to the power of minus 3.
X to the power minus 3 into root x. That's what you're saying.
Yes. No, the root, and then just put a to the power minus 3 for the x. Oh, no, it'd just be 3, right? Because it's on the bottom. So x cubed, that's it.
Okay. If I make, see what I want here, if I send this x to power minus 3 by 2 as denominator, it will be 1 by x to power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5.
1.5.
Means 1.5 means 1 plus half. So half is root. So 1. So x root x. So I can change this whole thing as a x root x. Minus 1 by 2x root x. Shamita, can you hear us?
Sir.
Okay. Now, can someone try this question? dy by dx, which is d by dx of 4x to power 4 plus 2x cube plus 5 by x plus 9.
Sir, is it 16x cube plus 6x square minus 5x?
16x cube plus 6x square minus 5 x. Sorry, what is it? Minus 5?
Minus 5x, sir.
5x or 5x x to the power minus 2?
X to the power minus 2 because it's
minus
minus
2.
and then again minus, right?
Till here it's okay. Let's see. 5 x to power minus 1 means 5x to power
Oh, okay.
minus 1, which is minus 5x minus 2. With that means minus 5 by x square. Okay, let me solve this whole. Samita, check this answer. I'll solve here. Check how we are doing. So these people know the formula because yesterday only we discussed and Aditi has already studied. So you just learn it, no problem. If you're getting wrong, don't get nervous. It's okay, you're learning first time, not a problem. Now first thing, 4 as it is, constant. Now what's the formula? N will be front. So forget the 4 here, let's bring N. N is 4. 4 into x to power n minus 1. N is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3.
3.
Yes. 2 as it is. 3 front. X to power 3 minus 1. That is
2x squared.
2. Same way. 5. Now x is denominator. So let's bring it up. Minus 1. Again, we need to do minus 1. And bring this minus 1 here. So let's minus here. Plus 0. Differentiation constant is 0. Now this will be 16x squared plus.
So 16x cubed.
Oh, I'm sorry, x cubed.
Plus 6x squared.
So 6x squared
Plus
minus
1 by 5x. 5x.
5 by x squared.
X.
Minus means it will be going denominator. It will be denominator. Everyone got it right? Rahman?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Samita, are you thorough with these 3-4 questions?
Yes, sir.
You want one more question to solve or you're okay with this? You got some confidence? Samita?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Are you sleeping?
No, sir. I'm trying to understand.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. So you want some more question to solve?
Sir.
Okay. Find dy by dx if y equals to x to power cube plus 5x square minus 2. Okay. Now I want everyone to solve without pen and paper. Give me answer orally.
Sir, is it 2x squared plus 10x?
2x square plus 10x.
Sir, can I say it?
Yeah.
3x squared plus 10x.
3x square plus
Sorry, sir, 3x squared, sorry.
10x. Okay. Any other option? I got 2 options. Rahman, what's your option?
The same, sir. I got the same answer.
Same means I got 2. Which same?
No,
Okay,
sir,
the 3x squared plus 10x.
Okay. Yes, Aditi?
Sir, I changed my answer to 3x squared.
No, the answer was registered before. Okay. Okay, Samita, are you trying?
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
Okay, good. See, I want you all to thorough with this differentiation so that while doing kinematics, there won't be a problem. Because each and every question, we will use differentiation, each and every question. Yeah, you finished, you started kinematics, right, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
So you know,
Just
right?
start. Yes, sir. Even vectors is there.
Yeah, vector, yeah, it's easy actually. These both
Yes,
things.
sir.
So if I solve with this one here, check with the answer, Samita. X cube plus 5x square minus 2.
Minus 2.
So if we differentiate, 3 will be outside, means front. It will be dot front, down. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus 2 will be outside. 5 is constant into 2 front into x to power 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus constant 0. So your final answer is 3x square plus 10x. Okay. Let's try this question. X sin x. Find dy by dx. Y equals to this one. So which rule you will use?
Sin x is dy by dx of sin x is cos x minus
Okay.
cos x.
Yes, but here we will use something. What is it? Product rule.
Sir, what is the difference between the constant rule and the product rule?
See here, we have two functions, x and sin x.
Yes.
So we cannot directly just solve here as dx has 1 and sin x has cos x. We cannot solve directly here. We need to use product rule. So what is the product rule? See there? Turn your page or see here. Product rule. What is the product rule? F of x. One second. Let me change color. Yeah. F of x, g of x. So first we'll keep constant f of x and differentiate g. Then we'll keep g constant. We'll differentiate f. Give a try. Come on. Give a try. Doesn't matter right or wrong. You give a try. And I always appreciate trying. I don't want like answer correct. Okay, doesn't matter.
Sir, is it 1 by x minus cos x?
No. How you got 1 by x?
I differentiated x.
So differentiation of x is what? X means x to power n is 1. So 1 minus 1,
Oh.
0. Right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So dy by dx means
So I'm getting sin x plus x cos x.
x d by dx of sin x
Sin x.
plus
Sin x
sin x d by dx of
dx of
x.
x. Oh.
This is your rule. So what is the rule? D, F, or I took G here, right? F constant dg by dx plus G constant df by dx. So here F is x and G is sin x. So x sin x is cos x plus sin x into 1. That means x cos x plus sin x. That is your dy by dx form. Did everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
So how did we get cos?
Sorry?
How
Oh,
did
yeah.
we get cos?
Okay. This is another rule. Just check your screenshot if you have taken.
So I have a screenshot till 6, like the 6th one.
Oh, is it? Okay, let me show you that also. Yeah, this one. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Generally, we will use this two only for our physics. Okay. So no need to worry about we have so many formulas that you will use those formulas in mathematics only. Have you written this one, Samita?
Yes, so can you go back to the question once?
Yeah. Okay. What about Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand this question?
Yes, a bit. Because of the formula, I understood later.
Okay. Okay, one more thing I want to teach you now. After you finish this question, then I'll tell you. What we did here before? Fine. ठीक है. Done? Everyone?
So how did we get sin it to 1?
Okay. So differentiation of x here 1, right? Now what is n here? 1. So x to power 1 minus 1 into 1, which is x to power 0. So anything to the power 0 is 1. Got it? Anything to power 0.
Yes.
Okay, those who finished, just write the same question, continue the same question again, the previous one. We are going to extend that question now. Okay, what was the question, by the way? X cube. Y equals to x cube plus 5x square minus 2. Now, if they ask, find out d by dx of dy by dx. That means d square y by dx square. That means what are the answers? What is the final form we got here? 3x square plus 10x. So we will differentiate d by dx, what? 3x square plus 10x. That is called second order differentiation. This will be very, very, very useful in kinematics when we are finding acceleration and all that. First, we already found out first order. We found dy by dx. We already found here. Now again, we are differentiating this one d by dx. That gives you second order. So what you will get?
Is it basically a repeated differentiation?
Exactly, it's a repeated differentiation. Second order, third order. See, third order, fourth order you won't have here. You will have in engineering in third order. Fourth order you will have in like when you are doing MSc mathematics. That is separate portion now. So that you won't have. So 2 3s are 6. X 1 plus 10. That is your d square y by dx square. Now, if I give you an example of kinematics, how we are going to use acceleration. What is acceleration? Velocity by time. Now, what is velocity? Displacement by time. So, in short,
dx
it is, yes, it is differentiating this value 2 times. We got this value with respect to t. Again, we are differentiating v to get acceleration.
So can you repeat this example?
Yeah. So to find acceleration, exactly. Yeah, we'll do that. Velocity by time. It is actually dv by dt. We are differentiating velocity with respect to time. So to find v, we are differentiating ds by dt, or ds means displacement. So if we have some function as t, s is like 2t, okay, 2t square or something, whatever. So we'll differentiate ds by dt to get 4t. That will be your velocity. And again, we'll differentiate 4t with respect to t. We'll get 4. This is your acceleration. 4.
Why 4t?
Sorry?
Why did you differentiate 4t?
Because ds by dt is v.
Okay.
V is ds by dt. ds means, in short, like I'm just giving you too early. Velocity is what? Displacement by time.
Yes, yes, I know.
Right? This you know formula, right?
Yes,
You've studied in lower grades. Now, acceleration is velocity by time.
Oh, okay, now I get it. So first you go find velocity and then you put that velocity in the acceleration form.
Exactly.
Yes, yes, got it. Thank you.
Good. Everyone understood this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way you're going to use it. Not just this one, everywhere. Everything what we did now, we will use this. So if I go directly numericals in that, then you cannot understand that time. So we are learning mathematics. That's the reason separately we are doing it.
Sir?
Yeah?
When you write d square y by dx square,
Yeah.
is there a way to directly do it without doing it 2 times?
No, we cannot, because we have to, sometimes in question, they'll ask you to do substitute values. If we do directly second order, it's not possible. First, we need to reduce it, then we need to reduce it again.
So then what's the point of writing it as 2 square y over dx, d square y over dx square?
This shows we have done differentiation 2 times, or this is called second order differentiation. This shows that
Yes, sir.
it is,
okay. Understood.
It's a notation, just a notation.
Only a notation, no other functionality.
No.
All right.
Sir,
Okay.
I can understand from, I didn't understand the last part of the question, like d square y dot.
See, first part you understood?
Yes,
dy
sir.
by dx. That's simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, we are differentiating same function. What is the answer we got? This is your answer, right? Previously, we solved just 3x squared plus 10x. We are differentiating this value to find second order redifferentiation. This 3x squared plus 10x, we are again differentiating. That is that particular thing what we are doing. The name is second order. Yes, yes. Yes, Raman, tell me.
This 3x squared plus 10x is actually the means like its velocity, and we are finding the acceleration. It's kind of, it's like that, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. So we got this value and we are differentiating that value again. So that this process, particular name is given, that is second order differentiation. Understood, Sanmita?
Yes, sir, I understood now. Okay, so you did it again.
Yeah, we just did it again. Second time.
Simplify it.
Sorry?
To simplify it, right? You did it again to simplify the entire answer.
I didn't simplify, I just did it again. I just differentiated again, second time. After doing first time, I'm getting 3x squared plus 10x.
Yes, sir, and then you did it again using the formula.
Yeah, again, yeah, exactly. Okay, so basically we will start tomorrow integration. I think so tomorrow we can finish integration. Not much of integration because integration will use in work power energy.